If the asteroid Psyche struck Earth at 20 kilometers per second, it wouldn't just erase a country. The impact could ignite forests across continents, vaporize an ocean, and turn the atmosphere into a planet-wide furnace, because this mountain-sized object may contain more metal than humanity has ever mined. By the end, you'll know what Psyche is actually made of, whether its famous $10 quintillion valuation means anything, and exactly what would happen if all that metal arrived on Earth at cosmic speed. You are looking at an object unlike almost anything humanity has visited. Psyche orbits the Sun between Mars and Jupiter, deep inside the main asteroid belt. It is roughly 226 kilometers wide, about the distance from New York City to Philadelphia and back again. But Psyche isn't shaped like a clean sphere. It is an irregular, battered world, scarred by billions of years of impacts. Its surface gravity is tiny. You could throw a ball upward and wait an uncomfortably long time for it to return. For decades, scientists believed Psyche might be the exposed core of a failed planet, a young world whose rocky exterior was stripped away through violent collisions, leaving its metallic heart floating naked in space. That idea made Psyche irresistible. Earth's core lies thousands of kilometers beneath your feet, hidden beyond any drill we could build. Psyche might let us examine similar material without digging at all. But newer measurements complicate the story. Psyche may not be one solid chunk of metal. It could be a strange mixture of iron-rich material, silicate rock, and empty space, a damaged archive from the solar system's violent childhood. Then someone attached a price tag to it. If Psyche contains enormous quantities of iron, nickel, and other valuable metals, and you multiply those estimated quantities by prices on Earth, you can produce a figure near $10 quintillion. That is a 10 followed by 18 zeros. It towers over the annual output of the entire global economy. Divided evenly, it would appear to make every person on Earth a billionaire. But that number is deeply misleading. Metal is valuable partly because it is scarce, difficult to extract, and limited in supply. Bring even a fraction of Psyche's inventory to Earth, and markets would react immediately. Supply would explode. Prices would collapse. The asteroid would destroy much of its own paper value long before it made everyone rich. And there is another problem: Psyche is hundreds of millions of kilometers away. Mining it would require spacecraft, autonomous factories, energy, transportation, and infrastructure beyond anything ever constructed. So Psyche is not a floating bank account. It is something more interesting, a planetary-scale concentration of raw material, waiting inside a vacuum. NASA launched the Psyche spacecraft in October 2023 to investigate this object directly. After a gravity assist from Mars, the probe is expected to reach the asteroid in 2029. It will not land. Instead, it will descend through a sequence of carefully planned orbits, mapping Psyche's shape, gravity, chemistry, and magnetic history. A magnetometer will search for traces of an ancient magnetic field. If Psyche once contained a molten, churning core, that field may have left a signature frozen into the asteroid's material. A gamma-ray and neutron spectrometer will identify elements near the surface. Multispectral cameras will map minerals and topography. Radio measurements will help scientists reconstruct the hidden distribution of mass inside. This discovery could overturn the simple exposed planetary core story. Psyche might be a shattered core, a metal-rich rubble pile, or an entirely different kind of primitive body that formed close to the young sun. Each possibility rewrites part of your own origin story, because the atoms inside Earth were assembled through the same chaotic process. The obvious question is whether we could mine Psyche. But the more disturbing question is what happens if Psyche comes to us. Right now, it is not a threat. Its orbit is stable in the main belt, far from Earth, and no known mechanism is preparing to throw it in our direction. Still, the solar system is not frozen. Gravitational interactions can alter small bodies over immense spans of time. Collisions can reshape orbits. Jupiter can act like a cosmic slingshot. So imagine an extreme hypothetical: Psyche is knocked onto an Earth-crossing path and accelerated toward this planet. You might picture one enormous crater, perhaps a continent disappearing under a flash of light. But before we calculate that impact, you need to understand something even stranger. The asteroid would not have to touch the ground intact to end the world you recognize. As Psyche approached, Earth's gravity would accelerate it. A realistic collision speed might be around 20 kilometers per second, fast enough to cross Manhattan in less than 1 second. The atmosphere would barely slow an object this massive. Air trapped ahead of it would compress violently, heating into plasma. The asteroid's leading surface would melt and vaporize, but Psyche would continue downward because it carries roughly 10 quintillion kilograms of momentum. From the ground, its final arrival would not look like a normal meteor. The sky would brighten beyond daylight. Thermal radiation would race ahead of the impact and burn exposed surfaces across an enormous region. Then the object, or its still gigantic fragments, would strike. At that speed, metal stops behaving like the rigid substance you know. Pressure overwhelms material strength. The asteroid and the crust beneath it flow almost like fluids. The collision converts motion into heat, shock, excavation, and radiation in seconds. Psyche would not simply bury itself underground. It would explode with the energy of a planetary catastrophe. Here is the number the title has been hiding. Using Psyche's estimated mass and an impact speed of 20 km per second, the collision would release roughly 4 to 5 octillion joules of kinetic energy. That is about 1 trillion megatons of TNT. Depending on the assumptions, it could be thousands to tens of thousands of times more energetic than the Chicxulub impact linked to the extinction of the non-avian dinosaurs. The crater could span hundreds or even thousands of kilometers. If Psyche struck an ocean, it would vaporize unimaginable quantities of water and launch tsunamis across ocean basins. If it hit land, molten and pulverized rock would be blasted beyond the atmosphere. Debris would then fall back around the globe. Re-entering fragments would heat the sky, bathing the surface in infrared radiation. Forests could ignite far from the impact. Dust and vaporized rock would block sunlight. Food chains would collapse. Psyche would not physically shatter Earth. Our planet is far too massive for that. But it could sterilize large parts of the surface and push complex civilization toward extinction. The most valuable asteroid ever imagined would arrive as a wrecking ball no economy could survive. And that is Psyche's central contradiction. Far away, its metal represents opportunity, construction material for habitats, radiation shielding, spacecraft, solar power stations, and machines built in space. Delivered carefully and gradually, asteroid resources could support an economy that no longer needs to lift every kilogram out of Earth's gravity. Delivered all at once, the same material becomes almost pure kinetic energy. Value, in space, depends on location, velocity, and control. A kilogram of nickel inside an orbital factory could be useful. A kilogram of nickel crossing the atmosphere at cosmic speed is a bomb. That is why NASA's mission matters even if humans never mine Psyche. By measuring its structure, we learn how metallic bodies formed, how they respond to impacts, and how dangerous objects might behave if we ever need to deflect one. Psyche is both a time capsule and a warning. In the solar system, treasure and catastrophe can be the same object on different trajectories. When the Psyche spacecraft arrives, it may confirm an exposed core, or demolish that idea entirely. Either result will be valuable, because the asteroid's true worth was never $10 quintillion. Its real value is information. Psyche preserves conditions from an era before Earth had oceans, continents, or life. Inside its battered surface may be clues to how planetary cores formed, why some worlds survived, and why others were torn apart. You are not looking at a fortune waiting to be claimed. You are looking at one of the solar system's unfinished experiments, a metallic world that could teach us how planets are built, and what happens when cosmic construction becomes cosmic destruction. If this broke your brain a little, subscribe. We drop one of these every week. Because the next mystery isn't hundreds of millions of kilometers away. It's sitting beneath dark water here on Earth, and after 15 years, we still don't have a clear image of what it really is. Next, there's an object on the Baltic seafloor no one has photographed clearly in 15 years.